Guys, we're out here at the canal again. I'm going to try to catch a fish and feed my birds. There's two there and there's one over there, but he'll be over here. I gotta wipe my screen off, it looks a little dirty. Alright, let's see what we can come up with here. There's one. He's a little bigger than I want to feed him, so we'll throw him back and see if we can catch another one. Maybe a little baby. There. We'll give him this one. Look at him. He's ready. He's ready. Uh-oh. We dropped him. Oh, he was hungry. Where'd the other one go? Oh, they're over there having a standoff. They ain't gonna get no food. Well, we'll give them this one. We caught it in midair. How about that? It's a hungry little feller. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Gone. See if we can catch another one. Let's see here. Here's another one. Oh, he come off. Alright. Just give it a couple little jigs. Just bounce the tip up and down. There you go. There's another one. That's a better size one. That's a bluegill. Alright. I'll put him back. And got that. I got this jig right here. That's a cool looking jig. From a guy named Randy Guffey. YouTube 828 Thumper Candy. Look him up.